Okay, my very first YouTube video. This is a solar set that I'm getting ready to install. That's a Rhenology 100 watt solar panel. I'm eventually going to have 4 of them, but starting out with one until I learn this. It's not spots on the panel, it's just the lighting, I think. I made the mounting brackets myself, and in a future video when I get the next panel, I'm going to show everybody how to make those. They're real cheap, real easy to make. I also have a marine deep cycle battery. This is a spare from a boat that we sold, but it holds a good charge. I know it's not the kind I need, but I'll work on them later. Also bought a 400 watt inverter. I'm going to get a bigger inverter. It would be nice if some of the YouTube people could tell me what the best one is to buy. I'd like to have at least 1,000 or 1,500 watt, and I'd like for it to be, you know, in line. I can hook it right to the grid and use it that way. But this one will do to start till we get this whole project going. This is my Rhenology charge controller. It's a 30 amp. It will handle 4 of the 100 watt panels, which is what I plan to put up, you know, as we go along. Money is an issue, so we buy what we can when we can, and we will install it as soon as we get it. Now this is the battery I bought. It's like called a Thunderbolt, I think, from Harbor Freight. Now, although it's only 35 amp hours, I got this battery. We will be replacing them with a lot better batteries, but I got this one because when I'm done with my test run, when we first get these panels up, then we're going to use this to heat the water in the chicken coop. It'll run one single 60 watt bulb, you know, inside bricks underneath my watering dish in the chicken coop this winter. That way the water won't freeze. This will have its own solar panel, and I plan on using that charge controller on this in the chicken coop when we get a bigger charge controller. I also don't know what kind of charge. It seems like everybody buys the Outback charge controllers. People could comment and let me know. Is that the going thing? Is that the best one? So we're all, you know, kind of worried about the economy and the way things are going and all the illegal aliens, and we're going to do something about our power before we. About 2, 3, maybe longer than that, maybe 6 years ago, we had an ice storm. Took down all the trees around here, many trees. And it caused a power outage for about 3 weeks, and everybody, it was quite an ordeal for a lot of people. They were traveling long distances just to get a hotel room to stay until this whole thing was over. Well, I'm going to continue this. I'm getting ready to go up on the roof now and install the solar panel. Like I said, I'll show everybody how to make those brackets real cheap and real easy. Basic tools. And on the next video, I'll show that when we put our next panel up. It might be a while before I get to the next video. It's all in the money situation. So a quick look at the lake. Looks good today. Probably catching a lot of fish. And I'll see you next time.